Good morning, traders. On this beautiful Thursday, we are looking at spectacular market. And this is a spectacular market for knowledgeable trader. This is brilliant traders this morning. Brahim started the course this week. And this is camaraderie between the traders. And this is a gift. And as a student was posting early this morning, closing spectacular trade on gold. So when you master the markets and you enjoy trading, this is the key. I love what I do. It is that simple. So let's take a look on the markets and let's see where this short came from. This short that collapsed for multiple number of points came from scanner. One scanner gave us 10 plus alerts this morning between S&P and gold. So this is a market traders this week on S&P. This is a reversal zone. Not the place to buy, the place to short from. And if I convert this chart to 15-minute, exact same formula would remain. This is a market since August 14th. Spectacular crash on August 14th. Ultimate chop on Monday. Ultimate chop on Tuesday. Ultimate problem this morning when we discuss only spectacular sell-off, what we are interested in. And if you're trading 1 minute chart, this is the key. Ultimate place to short from, ultimate top. But when a spectacular short reaches Fibonacci reversal zone, knowledgeable trader monitors for long. And that's a brilliant trader. Brahim, who started the course this week, knows that. That's a place to exit your short, the place to monitor for long. Ultimate trend inception. So here's one of the posts from students in the room this morning. Stunning bullish trade on gold this morning. This is gold at the market open. Unlike S&P, gold at ultimate bottom. By the bottom. At the market open, stunning bullish trade on gold. By the bottom. This is where short alerts on gold played out. This is the place to exit longs. This is the place to monitor for longs again. And when I receive this email from current student, it melts my soul. This means the world. Thank you, William. It's everything. Course will change your personality. Course will change your mindset. You will start being interested in quality trading. This is a key to your success. Do not be trigger-happy cowboy, pretty please. Here's another post from another student. So here's another email from students, which cannot be more clear and more powerful. It means the world when the student gains confidence after the class. And this is who you do not want to be, and if you are, course will change your personality, as William stated. Trigger happy cowboy syndrome, THC syndrome, is a term originally coined by Alla Peters and is one who generally has high levels of testosterone and feels compelled to trade continuously, more often stemming from ignorance and often leading to several negative outcomes, including, but by not limited to, living a life of disease, lack of ease in many areas of life, increased neurological sympathetic activity resulting in heart palpitations, high blood pressure, and oops, this THC syndrome may result in death of one's trading account. So, do not be THC, be quality trader. As you saw students sharing in the course now. Alpha Fibonacci method shows you where to buy the bottom, where to sell the top, where to exit your trade. And that's ultimate accuracy. With the help of a scanner, it's a pain-free trading. So please review the information on the website. If you want to trade like Bill, like Brahim, like Les, like Mike, like William, as you saw the emails from students I get daily, simply choose from course that's appropriate for you. Live classes, almost 100 videos of recorded live classes. 12 weeks, you don't have to attend classes. You can view videos at your convenience. If you are considering private mentoring, pretty please speak with me first. I'm overbooked for a couple of months, so I want to make sure my schedule works with yours. And if you want to trade core without software, of course, it's never a requirement. Most importantly, see what students trade and how under the reviews, as it means the world when students send me this world. So, congratulations to Wolfram. Means the world. Truly does. All you have to do, make an effort. And if you can do that, I look forward to working with you. You will know where to buy, where to sell. Any questions, pretty please call and email me. I look forward to speaking with you. And if you master the basic method, when I will release my next software, it will take you a few minutes to master all of this in a work now. All the new strategies, all the new software, limited license only, released to graduates and students of the course, always first. So master the method with the help or without help of software. Choice is yours. You want to learn more about the method, review page about us. It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate the trading. Mindset is everything. And if you know where to buy and where to sell, no matter what you trade, the sky's the limit. And that's the key.